Brendan McCullum is the new top three for tomorrow. No, there's, as far as I'm aware, there's obviously a few guys not feeling 100%, but I did feel great yesterday, and I've woken a lot better today. So hopefully it's just a 24-hour virus, and I don't think it's like food poisoning or COVID or anything like that. I think it's just one of those things that we've unfortunately picked up as a group. We try to do absolutely everything right to make sure we're prepared really well for this game, and sometimes life throws these kind of things that use the squad in. We just got to see how we pull up tomorrow and do everything we can to be right and ready to go.
Are you expecting everyone to be ready and fit for tomorrow?
It's hard to say. I've not seen anyone this morning. I literally got straight on the bus, so guys will do everything they can. Work really hard in that respect, so just have time to tell, I guess.
I suppose you're not necessarily the right person to ask, but do you know if anyone has been called up from the UK to come over or not?
I don't. I've stayed far away from that these days. Put that right behind me. Even though I'm having to do this now, this is where the book starts. I'm not doing anything else. So, yeah.
Dean, and then we'll go Lawrence.
How disconcerting is it though that so many people are struggling with preparation today? I know that there have been issues, for example, in South Africa, which you went through. How much of a disruption is it for a team so close to the start of the test match?
It's frustrating. I think today's generally an optional session anyway, so there's a few of the guys that wouldn't have come in anyway and that haven't, and that are feeling fine. So like I say, there's not really much you can do apart from just try and do everything you can to fuel, hydrate, do all the things away from the game that are going to serve you really well tonight in preparation for tomorrow. And that's all we can do now. It's where we're at as a team. Sometimes you just pick up a little virus, and when you're all tied together in one hotel, it can spread around. We've done everything we can to try and mitigate that, but just have to see how things go tonight and tomorrow.
I know most of you who train here have been named in the team, but for example, Keaton Jennings hasn't. Is it really important that he's kind of ready to go, just in case all those guys who weren't named could find themselves thrown in?
Yeah, I think it's the same for anyone that's not in that 11. It's making sure that mentally they're prepared and ready to play. Even like so Colin and Keezy, you have to be ready to play. But yeah, we'll see. It's part and parcel of being on a tour. Sometimes these things get thrown at you as a squad, and that's why you have 16 guys here, so that injuries and illness, you've got guys ready to go.
We'll go Lawrence.